Ethan reads an English message saying the bus is slowing down. He stands up carefully. He reads the message again. Everything feels smooth. The bus stops gently. Ethan feels thankful. Kevin reads an English technical requirement document. Some terms feel unfamiliar. The project depends on accuracy. He reads slowly and focuses on function descriptions. The requirements start to make sense. Kevin learns that patience helps with English technical reading. Olivia reads English instructions about placing bags under the seat. She worries her bag is too large. She reads the picture and texts together. The bag fits well. Olivia feels relieved and comfortable. Anna has an online health consultation. She reads the English messages carefully. She types her questions slowly. The doctor replies clearly. The advice feels helpful. Anna feels supported. Chloe waits at the stop and reads the English schedule. The air feels cold on her face. She worries the bus may be late. She hugs her coat and reads again. The bus arrives soon. Chloe feels grateful. Emma reads the English name of the stop outside. She feels tired but alert. She checks the name again. It is exactly where she needs to be. Emma feels satisfied. Laura is in a hurry before going back to work. She reads the English sign about takeaway. She feels nervous about saying it correctly. She orders and adds to go clearly. The staff repeats it back. Laura feels ready to leave. Grace reads a formal English internal document. The language feels cold and strict. She worries about rules. She reads slowly and carefully. The meaning becomes clear. Grace feels more confident. Anna reads an English message saying her seat has changed. Her heart jumps in surprise. She worries the new seat will be worse. She reads the details slowly. The new seat is closer to the window. Anna smiles softly. Anna sits on the bus at night and reads the English stop list. The city looks quiet outside. She feels tired and a little lonely. She checks her stop again. It is still far away. Anna relaxes and waits. Sarah reads an English notice about a new gate. Her heart jumps slightly. She worries about the distance. She reads the gate number again. It is close by. Sarah feels relieved. Noah runs on a quiet weekend morning. There is no work pressure today. His body feels relaxed. He enjoys each step. Time feels slower. Noah feels thankful. Sophie notices her boundaries fading. People's needs take over her time. Running creates space again. The road belongs only to her. Her breath feels free. Sophie feels protected. James reads English guidelines for progress reporting. He worries about format. He reads examples carefully. Expectations become clear. James learns English reading improves communication. Hannah reads English passenger help information. She feels thankful help is available. She reads the contact details slowly. Everything is clear. Hannah feels supported. Alex stands at the bus stop and reads the English route sign carefully. It is his first time taking this bus alone. He feels nervous because everything feels new. He checks the stop name again to be sure. The bus arrives and matches the number. Alex feels proud as he steps on. Oliver reads an English reminder email. He feels embarrassed. He almost forgot the task. He reads carefully and notes priority. He knows how to fix it. Oliver feels responsible again. Mark feels pain in his lower back after work. He worries about describing it correctly. He points gently and uses simple English words. The doctor listens carefully. The advice is clear and helpful. Mark feels hopeful. Ryan looks at the English fare sign near the door. He worries about paying the wrong amount. He reads the price slowly. The fare is simple and fair. Ryan prepares his card. He feels relaxed. Sam reads an English airport bus sign. He feels tired and slow. He worries about choosing the wrong bus. He reads the route names carefully. His route is clear. Sam feels confident. Alex feels he may be going in the wrong direction in life. Nothing feels completely wrong, but nothing feels right either. He goes for a run to clear his head. His pace is slow and uncertain at first. As he keeps moving, the fear softens. Alex realizes it is okay to move even without certainty. Leo sits quietly and reads the English stop list. His mind is full of personal thoughts. He feels distant from the world. He keeps reading each stop name. The rhythm helps him stay present. Leo feels slightly lighter. Chloe reads an English sign asking passengers to step down carefully. She feels tired. She reads it again. The words feel caring. Chloe steps off slowly. She feels safe. Lily reads an English screen showing remaining flight time. She feels tired but curious. She reads the number carefully. Only 1 hour left. Lily feels hopeful and patient. Alex feels his mind struggle before his body. His legs keep working. Movement carries his thoughts forward. The body becomes support. Trust grows slowly. Alex finishes grateful for his body. Alex never imagined he could run 10 kilometers. At the start, the distance feels intimidating and unrealistic. He tells himself to focus only on the next step. Around the middle, his legs feel heavy and his mind wants to quit. He slows down but keeps moving forward. When he finishes 10 kilometers, Alex realizes belief grows through action. Ella runs her first 10 kilometers alone. No one is watching or cheering. The run feels very personal. Each step belongs only to her. Finishing feels quiet but powerful. Ella learns success does not need an audience. Sarah reads an English notice asking passengers to give seats when needed. The message feels gentle and kind. She reads it slowly. It reminds her to be aware. Sarah feels thoughtful. Emma stops caring about speed during her first 10 kilometers. Finishing becomes the only goal. Pressure leaves her mind. The run feels lighter. Each kilometer feels equal. Emma finishes satisfied with completion. Alex stops and reads an English time update on the screen. He feels confused because the time looks different from before. His heart beats faster as he thinks about missing the flight. He reads the line again, very slowly. The new time is later, not earlier. Alex feels relief wash over him.